Okay, this is the Harbor Freight 8-inch bench grinder, and I'm going to just spin this thing a little bit. See how far off that is? That's as straight as you can get it. It came out of the box. This thing's brand new, never been used. I'm only going to spin this thing up once. It's really loud, and I want you to watch what happens to this table. It's bolted down. The light burnt out because it was vibrating so hard the first time I turned it on. It popped the light bulb. It vibrates. See the screw in there? It's turning backwards out of the holder. I don't want the nut to fall out of the bottom. This thing vibrates so bad it backed it out of a lock washer on both sides, and that thing nearly unhinged itself from the workbench. There's nothing I can do short of epoxying the damn bolt in there, which I'm not gonna do because this piece of crap is so terrible. So I'm just gonna chalk it up to a learning experience. It's not even worth taking back. The thing was only, I got it on sale, so it was less than what the cheap price already was. So I'm just, gonna write off the 40 bucks and be done with it. Don't buy one of their bench grinders. The axle is so far out of alignment, it's not even worth having one.